Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook tri-tip on a gas grill. First, thoroughly prepare your tri-tip roast by trimming any significant fat or silver skin, which can become tough when cooked. Next, apply a generous amount of your preferred dry rub, ensuring all surfaces are well coated for maximum flavor. Let the seasoned meat sit out for about 20 minutes. This helps it cook more evenly and develop a great crust. Achieving a perfect tri-tip starts with proper grill setup. You will want to create 2 heat zones on your gas grill, one side on high and the other completely off. The high heat side should reach an intense temperature, ideally between 450 and 500 degrees Fahrenheit, for that initial searing. Placing a drip pan under the indirect zone is also a smart move, preventing future flare-ups and making cleanup much easier. Now it is time to build that incredible crust. Carefully place your well-seasoned tri-tip directly over the roaring hot, direct heat zone. Allow it to sear undisturbed for about 4 to 5 minutes per side until a beautiful, dark brown crust forms. Use long tongs to gently turn the meat, making sure not to pierce it. This method keeps all those delicious juices locked inside for a more tender result. After searing, transfer your tri-tip to the indirect heat zone, away from the direct flames. Close the grill lid and allow the roast to cook more gently and evenly. Continue cooking until its internal temperature reaches 125 degrees Fahrenheit if you prefer a delicious medium rare. Always use a dependable meat thermometer, inserted into the thickest part, to ensure perfect doneness without guesswork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.